Right, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and students, good afternoon. And a very warm welcome to everyone. It is indeed a great pleasure to gather here today, 25th of May, to celebrate the remarkable talent of our young architects through the architecture student competition organized by Saint Gobain. Is it true? Saint Gobain. Because Malaysian always say Saint Gobain. Now we need to, I think let's go to Shirley. We need to make it sharp. Saint Gobain. In collaboration with PAN, Malaysian Institute of Architects. First and foremost, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to Saint Gobain team. I think Belinda, Annette, Mehmet, and all the juries, Shirley, and all the team, for their invaluable collaboration with PAN, Pertubuhan Architect Malaysia. Your unwavering support and commitment to fostering innovation and excellence in architecture are truly commendable. This competition is a testament to our shared vision of nurturing the next generation of architects who will shape the future of our built environment. I would also like to express my sincere thanks to the PAN Education Committee. I think most of you are here. The PAN Secretary, Mr. Rizwan Abdullah, I think Belinda was in touch with him, and all the student compulsing at Tomoni. Your dedication and hard work in organizing this competition have been instrumental in making this event a reality. Your efforts ensure that our students receive the best opportunities to showcase their talents and gain invaluable experience. I also want to give a special thanks goes to MASA, Malaysian Architecture Student Alliance, our past president of MASA, Rizwan. Thank you so much. The president here. For their assistance in this endeavor, because your support has been crucial in coordinating and facilitating this competition, and we deeply appreciate your contribution. To all students participating in this competition, I commend you for your enthusiasm and dedication. Your participation embodies the spirit of true competition. Rather, I would like to say this, where winning or losing is not the ultimate goal, but rather the spirit of striving for excellence. Keep it up with the job. In this spirit of determination and passion that we drive you forward in your careers and in life as a future Malaysian. Congratulations to the winners of this competition. Your outstanding work has earned you the honor of representing our country on the international stage in Helsinki, Finland. This is a significant achievement, and I heard this is the first time Malaysia participates in this competition. And we are immensely proud of you. Your success not only highlights your talent, but also reflects the high standards of architectural education and practice in Malaysia. Well, in closing, I would like to leave you with my favorite quote that I believe encapsulates the essence of what we are celebrating today. Are you ready? Challenge yourself, unleash your creativity, and shape the future of architecture by joining the architectural competition. Get ready for Saint Gobain 2025 competition very well. Thank you for all once again for your participation and support. Let us continue to inspire and be inspired as we build a brighter and more innovative future in architecture. Thank you.